Show that the volume of the cylinder is given by V is equals to 25x squared divided by 4 pi minus x to the power 3 divided by 4 pi. Before we actually answer the question, I just want to thank you guys for visiting the website allpastpapers.com for past papers, study notes, study guides, and so on. allpastpapers.com. Okay, so let's take a look. A rectangular metal sheet has dimensions x and h with units, x and h units with x greater than h and a perimeter of 50 units. The metal sheet is rolled into a cylinder with two open ends, top and bottom, and height h units. Okay, so the volume, sticking to the basics, is pi r squared h, right? So let's take a look at this rectangular metal sheet and make sense of what is happening. So when we roll the rectangular metal sheet, the height remains h. But what happens to x? X becomes the diameter. X is going to form this part at the bottom. This is going to be x. This part at the bottom, that's going to be x. So there we go. X forms that part, which is the diameter, right? So we can say that x is equals to 2 pi r, because we know fully well that the diameter is given by 2 pi r. So we need to make r the subject of the formula here, which will be x divided by 2 pi, because we want to calculate the volume. So v will be equals to pi. In place of r, we substitute x divided by 2 pi squared multiplied by h. So v will be equals to pi multiplied by x squared divided by 4 pi squared multiplied by h. So what will happen here is that we're going to have v being equals to x squared over 4 pi multiplied by h. Right, so we have a problem. This does not look like what we're trying to show. That does not look like what we're trying to show. So what do we do in a situation like that? We have to go back to the information. We're told that the perimeter is 50 units. So that says to us 2h plus 2x is equals to 50. In what we are supposed to show, we don't have h there, but here we have h. So let's write h in terms of x and get rid of the h. If we do that, we're going to get 2h being equals to 50 minus 2x. So h is equals to 25 minus x. So if we substitute it back into the equation, we get x squared divided by 4 pi multiplied by 25 minus x. This will give us 25 x squared over 4 pi minus x to the power 3 over 4 pi. So there we go. We have shown that the volume is given by 25 x to the power 2 divided by 4 pi minus x to the power 3 divided by 4 pi. 10.2, calculate the value of x that will maximize the volume of the cylinder. So obviously we are going to find the derivative, of which that was going to be 50x divided by 4 pi minus 3x squared divided by 4 pi. Right, so we need to let the derivative be equals to 0. Right, because we want to find those critical points. This is equals to 0. So we can take 1 over 4 pi as a common factor. If we do that, we're going to be left with 50x minus 3x squared. That is going to be equals to 0. If we divide both sides by 1 over 4 pi, we're left with 50 minus 3x squared being equals to 0. So 50x, not just 50. And then when we take x as a common factor, 50 minus 3x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0, or x is equals to 50 over 3. Right, so when we substitute 0 into v, we get 0. And then when we substitute 50 over 3, what do we get? So our answer here, 50 over 3.